sky was burning, the ground was cold. Young hearts marching, stories untold. Letters in pockets, dreams in their eyes, fighting for peace beneath shattered skies. A mother's cry, a brother's tear, they walk through fire and face their fear. Oh, the echoes of the brave still call through the silence, through it all. They gave their world for ours to be, paid the price so we'd be free. We won't forget, no, we will sing. The echoes of the brave still ring. He held her photo, stained by the rain, wrote her name in the ash and pain. Each step forward a soul would fall, but still they stood, they gave their all. A father's hope, a sister's prayer, in shattered lands they still were there. Oh, the echoes of the brave still call through the silence, through it all. They gave their world for ours to be, paid the price so we'd be free. We won't forget, no, we will sing. The echoes of the brave still ring. So raise the flag, not just in pride, but for the fallen who never died. They live in hearts, in every name, carved in stone and carried in flame. Oh, the echoes of the brave still cry, in the wind, in the soldier's side. They stood so tall, with nothing to gain but love for land and peace through pain.